Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't troubleshoot the wrong thing. Open your phone's camera app and take a photo. If that fails, fix system camera first. Once confirmed, open the App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat. Outdated builds often lose permissions. Make sure you have free storage and reboot the device to clear stuck processes. These steps avoid chasing app-level fixes when the problem is system-wide, and they make the next steps meaningful and faster. Now you tackle app-level access. Go to Settings, find Apps, select Snapchat, and grant camera permission. This is the core fix. If permissions already show Allow, Force Stop, and Clear Cache on Android, or Offload and Reinstall on iOS to remove corrupted data. Once done, relaunch Snapchat and toggle the camera permission off then on to reset the app's access token. If the camera still refuses, check Snapchat's in-app camera mode and switch between front and rear to force hardware reinitialization. Finish by reinstalling Snapchat if all permission toggles and cache clears didn't work. Reinstalling gives you a clean app state, and signing back and restores settings. Make sure system-level privacy settings aren't blocking apps, and disable any third-party security or parental control apps temporarily. If these steps fail, a factory reset is the last resort because it resolves deep system permission corruption. Otherwise, contact Snapchat support. Key tip: before drastic steps, test the camera in another app to isolate whether Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.